All right, now Emmy is gonna show y'all how we make our Kool-Aid and get it ready for the punch. Tell them.
So first we have our container. It's just a regular juice container. And then I just have this tube so that the sugar won't go everywhere. And then I'm gonna scoop out at least 1 cup of sugar. And then just like that. Just pour it into here.
Yeah, because you put 1 cup of sugar per pack of Kool-Aid. And since these are just 2-quart containers, they're easy to measure up for the kids because you only need 1 pack of Kool-Aid per 2 quarts and you need 1 cup of sugar. So it's easy for them to do.
That's how it's looking right now.
And also, we got some ginger ale once we get the Kool-Aid mixed.
And the flavor for today is pink lemonade. So
That's just me putting the ice out of the ice maker into the container. All right, now we just got to fill it up with water. And here's some pre-made Kool-Aid from last night. I believe this is fruit punch. This is also going in there. So, yeah, do we have lemons?
Yeah, well, no.
We don't have any more lemons?
You had this one.
So now that means we're gonna mix that up. We're gonna cut up a few lemons just to add to it. Make it look nice. I hear the muscle cars outside. That's our neighbor. Yeah, I know. I seen that over the last week when I go pick up cake from the bus stop.
yeah, but I think that's just their house behind their house because that's the only house.
They've been building that whole complex. What are y'all talking about?
No, I think they're just building a house behind their house.
No. That's
I'm
part,
not-
that's part of that whole complex. You know those townhouses that they built over the past year?
No, that's not what we're talking about.
You showed them your sandwich too good.
Yeah. And the rest of this one I'm just gonna squeeze in. There you go. Get all that juice in there. All right, now we can start building the punch, Emmy.
Okay, so
We're gonna go in with the fruit punch first. Then you're gonna go in with the ginger ale. Ginger ale. It's ginger ale.
Why do you call it ginger ale?
Because that's what it says on the front of it. It's not ginger ale. No, it's not. It's ginger ale.
Well, we call it ginger ale.
Yeah, I know.
Y'all trade me some for my ham.
oh,
We don't need no
Say,
ginger.
that's for the ham.
Oh.
Not supposed to use it all.
I thought that was for the fruit punch.
No.
Oh, see? Dad and Emmy and him messing up.
That's why I be having a morning for y'all.
you might put some water in here.
No, why would you put water in it? You put water in your cup when you make ginger ale? When you get a cup of ginger ale? What are you talking about, blood? What are you talking about?
Do we gotta mix it or no?
No, it's good. It's mixed now. So there you have it. Rolling with the Pham punch. It's gonna be delicioso.